Welcome to Green Hour NYC, inspiring the modern lifestyle to recreate back to nature with our immersive nature experiences and activities. Whether being indoors or outdoors, we bring nature to you, offering our entertaining and exciting nature workshops, as well as our do-it-yourself nature stations, creating our beautiful nature's ice cubes, as well as our nature walks. We'll be launching in January in New York, so we'd love for you to join us, partner with us, or hire us to work with you. We're also going to be creating plant designs, terrariums, as well as our ice cubes. We infuse all of our creations with crystals from the earth and all sorts of other elements from Mother Nature, as well as our charms. The purpose of the charms, as you see on a lot of the designs, are both for messaging as well as for repurposing. We're all about repurposing so that the charms can be used either as bracelets or necklaces. We also like to repurpose a lot of the designs and the flowers. Therefore, we show how to recreate the designs using different phases or cutting down the flowers, whatever is not good taking out. We showcase how to do all of that in our workshops and do-it-yourself nature stations. So we'd love for you to come down and join us, greenhournyc.com. Thank you and Happy New Year coming up. See you in 2020. I'm Iris Rosen, founder.